Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jones again and welcome to another episode of Motorcycle. Sa video ngayon, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng video na merong mga stats sa inyong video, kagaya ng speed, altitude, direction, and all that stuff. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin is meron ka dapat ng Insta360 camera. In my case, meron akong 1RS. Ito yung ginagamit natin na Insta360 camera for 360 videos. Meron naman akong itong gamit ko ngayon na itong camera na to is yung Ace Pro. So kailangan mo lang dapat naka-turn on yung 360 camera mo at naka-pair siya sa iyong cellphone using the app mismo. So let's go ahead and connect this. Tapos dapat naka-turn on din yung lahat ng mga GPS settings mo kasi kailangan niyang gamitin yung GPS information by the way. So connect to different camera. Ayan, so na-connect na natin yung ating 1RS, itong 1RS saka yung ating cellphone using the app nila. Now to record, ayan, gagamitin natin yung cellphone to record, hindi dito sa camera mismo. So ito dapat ang gagamitin natin. Now we are going to test this now kung mag-work siya at kung in sync ba or accurate ba yung speed information doing this. Okay, so start recording now. Ayan, so nagre-record na yung 360 natin. Hello. Okay, let's go. So by the way, with this app, maraming options actually na pwede kang pagpilian when it comes to those stats. So kailangan mo lang pumunta sa app and then meron mga pre-built na mga themes in doing this, na makikita yung mga iba-ibang style ng mga stats na designs by the way using the app. Again, hindi mo siya makikita real time, magagawa mo lang to sa app mismo after by the way sa post process na. So yeah, right now we are running at 73 kilometers per hour. So I'm not sure kung in sync yung speed nila or accurate or how close or how far away. And I am using the latest version of the app as well. Hindi ko lang alam if it's gonna work to other Insta360 cameras like X3, X4 and X5, kasi ang alam ko may mga devices na kailangan like yung Garmin watch at yung iba parang meron pa yung Insta360 mismo na parang remote para mag-work siya. But it is working here on the 1RS just using the app from your phone using the GPS data of your phone. So yan, so makikita nyo yung stats natin dito sa ating video ngayon as I switch it over to the 360 videos. So yeah, diba? Alright, so that's it for this video tutorial. I hope na nagustuhan nyo yung video na to. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are interested in motorcycle related contents, travel and gadgets, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.